Welcome to my channel. Today I am in Preston in Lancashire in northwest England. Later I will be going to see a mural and a football stand and also a memorial to the Preston football legend Sir Tom Finney. For now, this is Tulketh Mill. I'm about 50 metres high, just looking at the 1905 ex-cotton mill, which is now a call centre. And here we are in Preston, just getting close to the city centre, and there's a mural here of Sir Tom Finney, Preston's best ever player, you would say. And this is the Avenham area of Preston, where there's this very impressive Catholic church, St Augustine's. The church seems to be incorporated into the college, the Cardinal Newman College. As ever, I will leave links in the description for all the places that I am featuring. The next stop after this one will be Preston Central Mosque. This is Preston Central Mosque. Unfortunately, the security guard wasn't for letting me fly my drone here, even though it's not in a flight restricted zone and I have all my relevant certificates and insurance. Just out of courtesy, I decided not to fly here. And this is the memorial to Sir Tom Finney. It's called the Splash, and this is outside the football ground, Deepdale, the home of Preston North End.